Okay, guys, I'm back on the live, and I gotta tell you how horrific my day was today. So, after I finished the live and went back home yesterday, apparently they came inside my house and they raped me. So, today I went to the car police station and I lodged an application to FIR for rape. There, I feel I saw somebody like Shishupal Singh. Now, what's the whole story of Shishupal Singh? I'm gonna tell you straight up today. I still remember that I checked into the suite at Hotel Radisson Blue in Dwarka. And at that time, there was this man called Shishupal Singh, who was a double-faced bastard. He told me, I'm going to get you a healer because I always had this feeling that they've done some black magic on me, right? So he got me a healer from Dubai, these Arabic Dubai kind of healers. And the healer wrote down the Quran and just rubbed it on my head and waved it around it. And he said, please tell me what you see. So I saw somebody like, sucking me, licking me, and obviously, trying to having sex with me. So I was like, till that time, I thought it was Timmy Narang doing all this because even he sits with agodis and does all this agod vidya and is as much a psycho because even he's fucked me for free and given the money and privileges to his wife and to Sonakshi Sinha. I hate you too. All the four people that I've written on Instagram today, Khan, Narang, Dhoot and Sinha, they are blacklisted for 9 lives. 9 lives. Human being has many lives, but for 9 lives for sure, I'm never going to even look back and spit at them. And here's why. So when he did that Quran thing with me and he said, shut your eyes and tell me what do you see. So I saw somebody having sex with me and I till then was saying Timmy Narang, but it was Salman Khan. So I told him that, is it Timmy or is it Salman? I can't see very clearly, but it looks like Salman to me. He just got up. And Shishupal said, oh, we are going to Nepal today, we have to rush. And it was that day, and 10 years later, Shishupal Singh is not to be seen anywhere. And Shishupal Singh was who? Sinha. Shatrughan Sinha ka bheja hua kutta. So you can just see, that's just symbolizing Shatrughan Sinha's role in all this gang rape that I've faced over the past 17 years, where his wife has initiated it. And all the men who wanted to have sex with me, she made me unconscious, and so did Malaika, because I know she's also done something on me for sure to keep her fucking raggy, Buddhan ass ahead all these years, robbing so many shows. So many international shows. Should I start counting and blaming other people for it when she's done black magic on me? I've even heard that she used to call up the IFAs and say that don't take Pooja Mishra, take me instead. Don't make her travel with us. And like Poonam. So Poonam and Malaika were the real people who were fucking around with me. And of course, her 3 Muslim luns were sitting back somewhere in the background enjoying free fucks. As the rest of all the men who wanted to have sex with me, they used to just go up to these 2 bitches. And, Malaika posing with bags, jewelry, brand endorsements. All the men used to rape me through her, used to gift her that. Well, my body is being used. I'm getting diseases. All that belongs to me, really. So these 2 Buddhans who don't even get a fart when they walk into the market used a 16-year-old nubile virgin to get themselves ahead in their career by trapping me in black magic. Many people used to tell me, Salman Khan has done black magic on you, Salman Khan, Salim Khan, Arbaz Khan. I used to not believe them. I used to always believe that it was Poonam. And I went to 1,000,000 healers by now, and they all said that it was Poonam. But yes, some of them did point out, like this experience, that the Khans are also involved. So in any which case, both the parties are involved, and both the parties, dick and cunt, is going to be hammered by the High Court because I'm not going to leave them. You have to pay for every moment of sex with me, you bloody bastards. You've ruined 17 years of my life. You've given me diseases which I've had to pay for, and you all are such bastards. Some man, according to Malaika, called Ayush, has put a camera in my house. For all you know, it's Buddhan only, trying to, sniff out more people who could rape me so that she could get a couple of brand endorsements and a little bit of bhav, considering she's a sidey anyways. Along with Sonakshi, of course. She's been hand in glove with her. So they've been distributing the loot amongst themselves, and suddenly when she got to know that I'm coming back to Bombay and I want to stabilize my life, I'd probably look at getting married. So Buddhan has to get married before me, like she's not been married before and enjoyed the exploits of the marriage, which both Arbaz and she did, and now it's like, Now it's time to go to court with it. So Buddan very smartly wants to get married and move out of the crime she's done. Well, you're going to be pinned for it anyways, as is Sonakshi, because she's a fucking fraud. If I know of any opportunist bigger than Sonakshi Sinha, I'll change my name and her family. I sent Shatrughan a message day before yesterday in the morning saying that I don't want to wake up to these freeloading bitches pictures. You know, where are my pictures? You ban me from the media. Your wife keeps on calling the media, and so that's this Sohail Khan, Muftka Chaudu Ganda. I hate him, and I would never, given a choice, would even want to fart on him, very honestly. So they've been calling up the media through their PRs, and they've been saying, don't do Pooja's publicity, cancel Pooja's CrossFit contract, cancel Pooja's Pernia pop-up shop contract and whatnot. So all those crimes that I've enlisted on my Facebook timeline, both the parties have been involved in it, yeah? And all the money goof-ups. Well, I'm told that besides Sonakshi, that these people also involved, you know. Remember how Paytm just robbed me of 10,000 when somebody wanted to buy kurta off me, he instead took 10,000 away from me. Well, today I don't have money to travel in rickshaws. I don't have money to eat food. I haven't had dinner today because I don't have money. I didn't even have money to come till here to record this video because I know in that fucked up gin-filled house, I would never be able to record and upload it. So, I went to the car police station and wanted to report the rape. So they're telling me, हाँ अपनी application to FIR पे receiving लेके चले जाइए. I said, excuse me, it's a rape case. You'll have to take me for medicals. I was sitting there from 5 o'clock till 7 o'clock in the evening. They refused to take me for medicals. So then I went to Santa Cruz police station. There was a lady officer. She said, don't worry, I'll help you. She called 2 cops in a car, and that's when I made the video and posted it on Instagram that I'm finally going for my medicals. Because these people raped me and they expect me to pay money for the rape of 50,000 grand of rent and the other expenses that any normal person would have. So they dropped me to car station again. And at car station, I know for a fact Shatrughan Sinha and Salman Khan have had a word with the superiors there. They're not lodging my complaints, they're not lodging my FIRs, they're not taking me for medicals for rapes. And again, 100% this has been done by Shatrughan Sinha because he wants to sit there like a Cheshire cat and enjoy the benefits of my body being raped by these bastards, whosoever it is. They all have raped me. I don't give a fuck. You all owe me money. And all this Narang keeps on sending these messages, fan. It's either Narang or Dhoot, Anirudh or Timmy. Well, fuck off. First pay me my money, then I'll talk to you. Understand? You owe me as much.